This is a 2011 Toyota Avalon. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, cooled driver and passenger seats, high-intensity headlights, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a collapsible steering column, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear window defroster, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.